the southern border province of Pattani, Yala, Narathiwat, people generally think of violence, war, or unrest. Because of image in the media broadcasts to people across the country to see this mess as very dissatisfied. Because the South is actually very charming and unique. Because we have actually seen and felt that the media are all scammers. So we are going to promote it for you guys to look at 3 new southern border province. Hello, this is presentation of Panarat and Pusila Pukui M17. The 3 southern border provinces have many tourist attractions, each of which has a clear meaning in that space. Those meanings stem from the interesting identity of the South. Today, we will make everyone understand the meaning of the 3 southern border provinces thus the promotion of a tourist attraction called Betong District. เมืองในหมอก City in ดอกไม้งาม Beautiful Flower ใต้สุดสยาม Southernmost สยาม เมืองงามชายแดน Beautiful Border City. This is a motto of Betong, the southernmost district of Thailand. It is about 140 km from Yara town. It is a city that is surrounded by mountains, cool weather, and there is often a thin fog in the morning. People wish a simple lifestyle. It consists of a group of people of many languages, races, and religions living together happily.
Betong is another destination that is in the mind of many people because they can find the beauty of nature from the journey along Highway 410, especially the route between Dan to Betong district. It is a winding path along the mountainside, overlooking the beautiful scattering of lake, forest, and rubber plantation. It is also a large district that is very prosperous. Malaysians are popular for traveling, have a complete day, and there are many tourist attractions inside and outside the city. It is for their reasons that we should to promote here. To promote, we will make a website for direct promotion. On the website, we will drive it to 3 topics as follow: homepage, source, location. The reason why we choose this platform to promote is because we believe that doing something simple but sincere is something that is rare nowadays. When we have quality work, we will receive sincerity from customer. What is different from our regular promotion, we think, is doing something without expecting anything in return. Whether what we do is good or bad, we are not judged, and we have a clear purpose. We want people to change their view on the 3 new southern border provinces in a positive way. What platform are we different from others? If the promotion aspect is not different from others at all, but we think it might be to see the truth and bring our feeling to communicate, legendary